Good evening, everybody. Today I want to shoot another video to be uploaded on my YouTube channel. Though this is not about computer, but it's something needful for every one of us at a time like this, where all over the world people are forced to stay at home. I'm talking about the importance of central AC filter, air filter, central AC and central heater air filter. Air filter is so important in a house with central AC or central heater, because when you are in the house in an enclosed place, viruses fly around, but because of the enclosedness of the place, there is no sufficient air to filter them out. That is why the central AC filter and heater are necessary to filter the allergens, bacteria, and viruses that are circulating in the home because of lack of sufficient air as it is outside. In order for them not to survive or not to remain in your house, you need the filter. And there are a lot of filters out there that is used to filter them out of the central AC home and from a home with a central heater. Though, if you don't have a central AC or a central heater in your house, you can Google air filter in homes or air humidifier that can be used to also filter them out of your home. Today, I'm going to show you how to uninstall and to install air filter in your central heater and AC at home without the help of a professional. The air filter I'm gonna use, which fits my own central AC and heater, is the number 14 by 20 by 1 count filter. But the one I'm I've decided to be using, is the one that have a 1900 microparticle performance rating or above. Anything less than this, it is good for you to follow the recommended, to change it more often and not to follow the recommended exchange days that are given by the factory. The factory here says change it every 3 months or close to every 3 months. That is, last up to 3 months. But I decide to be changing my own every month. That is every 30 days. Why? Because I found out that when we don't change it, like at one time it lasted more than 6 months, and it started affecting different people at home, falling sick, having flu, and different things like that. But when we start changing it every month, there has been a great change. No more flu, no more allergens, and bacteria are now somehow a thing of the past. So that is why I'm recommending you to use 1900 and above microparticle performance rating of air filter. Where do you find air filter in your home? Air filter are normally located in your basement, if you have a basement, in a room in your basement that is dedicated for heater and AC equipped. Though we have an AC outside that is directly connected to that room where the filter is installed. But if you don't have a basement and you have a central AC, it will be located in one of the room. You just that is not noticeable. You just have to go around and try to know where it is in your home. Now I'm going to show you where it is in my own basement. This is the room where the heater and the other components and parts of the AC are installed in my basement. I'm going to open it now for us to see. We see here, this is the heating system, and we can see the connection that came from outside to the heating system and also to the AC, and right to the from the AC and right to the filter, and we see the exhaust where it sends it out. These are all we need to show you, but there are more. This is the filter, where the filter is located. You see that blue stripe like something you've seen? That's the filter. Actually, I connected this I installed this just a few days ago. I'm going to uninstall it now to show you how it is being uninstalled. Okay, we see as the filter. To uninstall it, all you need to do, the light is not bright enough for us to see exactly what I'm trying to do. You hold it like this, tilt it and pull it out completely. That's how you uninstall it, and this is how it looks. I'm going to show you properly out there later when comparing it with the one I removed. To install it, you just put it slightly and you push it all the way through. All the way through. If it doesn't go through, it's not properly installed. You see, it's gone through. And make sure the arrow is facing in. If it doesn't go all the way through, it's not properly fixed. They are installed. See, all the way through. Now let me bring it out and compare it to the one I removed 2 days ago. So these are the two filters. The clean one that is whitish is the one I just installed 2 days ago. This other one that is kind of a brownish or and dirty is the one that has been there for 30 days, and I removed it from my central heat and AC 2 days ago. So we see the difference. So all these dirties, the viruses and the allergens and bacteria that will have been circulating in the home, but this filter help filter them so that they will not be circulating in our home. And if you do this regularly, you help yourself and your family and whosoever lives with you. So do this and you'll be glad you did it. To install is very easy, like I've showed us before. So do this, and I plead with you, you should change it every 30 days. You see why I said 30 days is, I recommend 30 days instead of the recommended 3 months by the producer. You see how dirty it can be just within 30 days. So thank you for watching, and God bless you. Subscribe also to get more videos that I'll be uploading, mainly about computer repair and improvement. God bless you.